Look at my gorgeous hair using this amazing air wrap from this beautiful brand. It comes with 2 air wrap heads, each for a different side. So the L for the right side and the R for the left side. Yes, it's opposite. Walk through the video to tell you how I did my hair. Look at this. I'm so in love. Do you want to fall in love with a hair dryer just like I do? Unbox this together. These are drying set. This is the brush, this is the hair drying, and this is the small brush. This is the hair wrap. This is the small one. Let's do this together. Let's see how it wraps. Does it wrap? It wraps. It actually does wrap. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow. So now doing my right side, I'll be using the other head. It's the L side, and all you need to do is remove it. So each side you will use a different head because that's how it wraps. It wraps differently. So for that one, for the left side, I used the R side. And for the right side, I'm going to use the L side. And this is how it wraps. Like this. And it wraps easily. Just like that. You see? Look at this. Sometimes if you like to wrap one like this, right and left, so you need to alternate the heads. And look at this. Look at this. Wow. Let's try another one. Does it wrap? It should wrap. It wraps. Wow. This is so easy. Oh my goodness. I'm so in love with it. And look. Look at this. Wow. 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 This is beautiful. Gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. So for the right side, you use the left, the L. I know, it's like the opposite. And look at this. Look at this. Wow. And here is the final look. Wow, I'm so in love.